Hello guys, welcome back today. I'm going to be trying to figure out what the true Vegas goal horn is according to NHL 18. They probably have the right goal horn in here, so I'm going to try and score a goal, see what the correct goal horn is, and see what's going on. I really want to hear it. Let's score a goal real quick. I put it on, just trying to do it normally, but then I'm like, oh, let's put it on 90 or 0 save percentage for the CPU goalies, just to make it easier. So let's just try this out. Sucks, man. Ugh. Good. Come on. What the heck happened there? That was the dumbest thing in the world. It's like I had it and it just slips away from my stupid stick. It's happened so many times. Come on. Come on. Like, what is that? Okay, give me the frickin'. Thank you. Thank you. Alright, let's get a goal. Come on. Can you frickin' shoot the puck? Okay. What the heck is happening? Like... My gosh, man, this will take forever. Forever, dude.
Detroit's prevailed on another faceoff. Right on his stick, can he get it out? And possession now on the pickup by the Kaiser.
Oh my gosh, you idiot. Oh my gosh, stupid game. Why wouldn't you fucking pick up the puck? Hello?
Face-off win, and now what will they do with it? But they'll have to drop back as this has been cleared out by the Kaiser. Vegas carrying it in the defensive zone. Gains the blue line.
Like, see? Every single deke they lose it. Every single one. They'll keep it, but no. Not us. Let's go. Now, apparently, I think that's like a AHL horn that they've just used. I think that's just like an AHL, like, generic horn. Which is kind of dumb. It might be the goal. If that's the goal horn, I'm pretty disappointed. Let me just talk about this. This is the goal horn. That's pretty disappointing. It's pretty dang generic. But I have a very big possibility that it's just a generic horn from the game. And if that's the case, come on, just put out the goal horn already. Like, what's the holdup? But like, I was kind of excited for it to be in something new, but it's just like a generic goal horn. I'm almost sure of it. So that's going to be it for today, guys. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you like. If you guys really did enjoy it, make sure to subscribe. Tell me your thoughts about the generic goal horn, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.